Day 2 of Kitty Boot Camp. It's early morning. She's amazing because she doesn't go in her litter box, which every cat I have does. I had them put the scent of her kittens on those blankets, but she hasn't gone down there. But I opened up the cage more so she can kind of see her world, see this room. And I had all the kittens in here, my cats in here, feeding, so she got to watch me holding the cats. What I'm going to do, and I just had success with it, I couldn't believe it, is I got this wet food. She did eat her dry, and she was actually eating out of the spoon. So I'm going to try this again. Hi, sweetie. Whoa, look at that. She scared me a little bit with biting that spoon, but she's hungry. She's liking this. This is big for this early, for her letting me feed her. Hi, girl. Yeah. Good girl. When you eat, good girl. Good girl.